We are starting off our list with the most popular option we could find for a mini PC, which can easily replace a Mac Mini. Minisforum also has a lot of other models available for a mini PC which are worth checking out. In the first position, we have the Minisforum Venus Series UM690 mini PC. This mini PC offers excellent performance in a compact size. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, this mini PC delivers impressive processing power. It ensures fast and responsive performance with a base clock speed of 3.3 GHz and a boost clock of up to 4.9 GHz. Using 6nm technology and Zen 3 Plus architecture further enhances efficiency and power consumption. The mini PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, providing a user-friendly interface and optimized performance. The DDR5 RAM configuration of 32 GB, expandable up to 64 GB, ensures smooth multitasking, while the 512 GB PCIe4.0 SSD offers fast storage access. Including M.2 and support for older generation SATA SSDs or HDDs allows for versatile storage options. Despite its small size of 5.04 by 5.04 by 1.90 inches, the UM690 mini PC packs a punch. It suits various tasks, including gaming, graphic design, 3D rendering, web surfing, and business or school work. The addition of the AMD Radeon 680M GPU further enhances its graphics capabilities, providing an exceptional visual experience. Best features of this item. It is powered by the Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU. It has 32 GB RAM capacity. It has a 512 GB SSD for storage. Bluetooth, Ethernet, HDMI, Wi-Fi, USB connectivity options are available. Pros of this item. Most popular choice for a mini PC. Coming from a reliable brand. It supports 8K output at 60 Hz refresh rate. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.